Alright, we're unboxing the LS2 4X and doing an install on an Advant X. Actually, it's the regular Advant. First things first, you got these little Velcro pieces. The Velcro pieces will go inside the ear pockets. And we'll be back. Alright, step 2 is removing this foam EPS to install the Cardo. Cardo will go in with the controller being on the left side of the helmet. Installing that. It comes with an open face boom mic and a full face boom mic. Choose the one you want. For the Advance, we use the boom mic. Alright, then you just plug in the speakers, attach the speakers. I found the closer to the inside works the best. Alright, here's a trick part. You put the connector, the headphone connector, underneath the brains there, and that makes life a lot easier. So that will go down in there, and the battery goes on top of it. I already peeled it, but I cut the Velcro in half. I put one piece long way, one piece this way, and stuck the boom mic right there. Alright, once you install the cheek pad liner, just make sure you leave the power cord accessible. Plug everything in, should be good to go. The boom mic will come out on the side of the cheek pad there. I gave this one a little bit of length, but you can have it shorter, longer, whatever, but this one's good to go. There's an emergency pull cheek pad sticker. You just pull that off, stick that on there, you're good to go. Good?